Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how you can easily change an object color from your image. Let's start. See, this is before and this is after changing object color. If you want to learn how I do this, then watch this video. First, you select Object Selection tool. Select your targeted area. After selection, you may go Brush tool and select Color Replacement tool. Here you can choose any color that you want and then simply apply this color in selected areas like me. Now see, I think this is an easiest way for replacement objects color. Here I put an wings. First, I selected this by Object Selection tool. Now I want to give them golden color. So I choose the color and apply in images. Okay, fine. It works good. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my new channel and comment how was my video.